I got it right. That matches. 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 Show it mixed. Then you have a spectator to keep rotating it in their hand, because you showed them behind the scenes what to do, and they said anytime you want to stop, you can stop, bring the cube out towards you. And they're like, wow, how'd I do that? And they will be amazed. And even everybody around you. Just like the judges on America's Got Talent and British Got Talent. Ryland, Stephen Brundage, and other illusionists that performed Rubik's Cube magic. It's a pretty clever idea. I assume Stephen Brundage came up with it. And Ryland had his own style, and his Illusion Magician Club added their own style with the Rubik's Cube. It was a pretty cool idea. Stephen Brundage added some neat ideas too. And all the judges, including Howie, was amazed. And Howie's a born-again Christian comedian actor who also does the voice of Bobby's World. And he's in a Christian movie, telling the whole world not to mess with those virtual reality glasses. And they had to, his buddy got stuck in it, and he had to help him get him off of him. You'd have to watch that movie. I think Margaret Kidder is in it too. I think she's the one that plays Lois Lane Superman. I assume she's a Christian too, because she's in a Christian film. Lee Majors is also a Christian. He did a Christian movie not too long ago. He played in The Ball Guy and $6 Million Man, The Return of the $6 Million Man, and $6 Million Man, and the Bionic Woman and the Bionic Boy. And you got the Bionic Dog named Max. And there's been another Bionic Boy besides the other Bionic Boy that runs like the Flash. Well, you get the idea. And then on YouTube I found out there's another Bionic Boy. He's a Chinese or Japanese Bionic Boy. So just like the Never-Ending Story, There's never ending to bionics. And reality check, they now have the bionic ear, bionic legs, and the bionic eye for real.